So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add your delivery address here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, I want you to go to the top right and press on your account and then view your profile and then edit public profile. Once you're here, I want you to go to where it says addresses right here and then press on that. And then where it says your delivery address, you can go ahead and press on add a new address. So by right now, by default, I don't have a delivery address, but if I were to go ahead and select add a new address, you can do your country, your name, street address, etc. So once that is all good, you can go ahead and press on save, and then your address will be added or updated. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add your delivery address to your account on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.